Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins using a simple cake mix. This method is incredibly easy and perfect for a quick treat. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of cake mix, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of water or milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. These basic items are all you need to get started on your baking adventure. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your cake mix, eggs, water or milk, and oil. Stir everything together until the dry ingredients are just moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. Next, prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper liners. Fill each liner approximately 2/3 full with your batter, ensuring even distribution. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the filled muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake for about 18 to 22 minutes. Keep an eye on them. The muffins are ready when they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures they are perfectly cooked through and delightfully fluffy. Want to make your muffins even more special? Feel free to add mix-ins like chocolate chips, fresh berries, or nuts to the batter before baking. Once cooled, you can drizzle them with a simple glaze or a light frosting for an extra touch of sweetness. Let your delicious muffins cool completely on a wire rack before serving. Enjoy your perfectly baked, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.